Alright y'all, here we are with another quick video. So this video is just a quick update on how my traction alopecia is doing. Things have changed since the video that I posted on what I was doing to get that hair to grow back and get that spot to be healthy again. When I started using that Dr. Miracles, it was like the drops and Temple and Nape Balm, everything was going fine. I noticed like when I put it onto the spot, like it changed the feeling of like moisture or whatever in that whole side of hair. It was really weird, but I didn't pay too much attention to it. When I really started noticing a difference was when I washed and detangled my hair, because large chunks of hair were coming from that spot. Now, that shouldn't be when I'm trying to actually grow the hair that is not there, and it's causing the hair that's already there to fall out. It was just not making sense to me. So the first wash, I was like, okay. Actually, the first like couple washes, I was like, whatever. I'm just gonna, keep pressing on and praying to God that the product would work. But it just kept happening. More and more clumps kept coming from that side of hair, and I felt like I was losing more hair than growing hair. So I ultimately decided to stop using those products, and I did more research. I just basically went back to the natural way. In the research that I found, I discovered 2 different types of oil that I was not using. And that was emu oil, which is good for hair growth, and peppermint oil, which is very well known for like stimulating the scalp and also promoting hair growth. I just added those to my normal hair oil mixture that I've been using, on top of using the hair growth oil that I've also been using on my whole head. And I continue with the same routine that I was doing with the Dr. Miracles, where I would massage it into my scalp twice a day. As of, let me say, the past like week, I stopped using it twice a day because that's a lot of oil. Listen, y'all. I'm balling on a budget, okay? I started just doing it once a day, and it's been, working out the same way also. But instead of just using products, I added a hair tool that I've been using. And it's not necessarily just for hair. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of a derma roller. I'll insert pictures of all of this stuff somewhere around me. But a derma roller is usually used like on the face or on scars and stuff for healing like acne and scarring and all of that different types of stuff. But I also did research, and it penetrates the hair follicles, kind of like opening them up a little bit, and hair can actually grow through them if they're damaged and stuff like that. I don't know, it's really weird. But a derma roller is literally just like a little roller type of thing, and it has like super small needles. The needles don't hurt at all, and you just roll it on the spot, not for a long time at all. I give you like 15-20 strokes, and yeah, like it doesn't hurt. You don't like bleed or anything crazy, at least with the super small needles that I have on there. So yeah, I just derma roll. I started derma rolling literally right after I stopped the Dr. Miracles. I would just derma roll and then put the product and massage it into the, opened up hair follicles. And I would do that every other day. So I say like 2 or at most 3 times a week. Using this technique has actually given me results, and good results, because I haven't veered off. I don't really veer off into crazy products like name brand products. I rather go more natural. If you guys know me by now, all of the products that I use are literally just oils, butters, stuff, that's not really like name brand crazy pricing, whatever. And it has all worked out for me. So as you see, I have this flat twist protective styling, and I'm gonna show you guys this side. Yeah, it's a little bit of growth. It's not a lot. and I'm still working on some areas, but like the bulk of it has definitely grown in. And I know it's a little bit of progress, but from all of those years of absolutely not having anything on that part of my hair, this is like a miracle to me. I'm just gonna keep doing what I've been doing, you know, and kind of emphasize on the parts that are not growing in as fast as everything else. The peach fuzz is a good sign, y'all, okay? And if it doesn't grow in the other spots how it is like in the middle area, we'll go from there, you know, we'll find different measures. I'd much rather do it a natural way instead of doing something like injections or something. So I'm literally gonna take every single measure I can possible, and then if I fail in the end, then we'll go from there. You know, we'll consult with the dermatologist or do whatever we need to do. I will keep y'all updated though. Comment below if you have any suggestions, success, horror stories, what's working for you, what's not, you know, or if I'm just plain on helping, I need the encouragement. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, Tarin No Lie. It's me, and I will see y'all in the next video.